Student, now previous video we saw exercise 7.2 question number 7 and 8. In this video we'll see exercise 7.2 question number 9 and 10. Question number 9, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A -2 and 2 and B 2 and 8 into 4 equal parts. Now here see A and B 2 points are there, and this A and B 2 points are there. That means after joining that we'll get line segment and their coordinates are given. What is the question? Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment. Which line segment? AB into 4 equal parts. Whatever 4 equal parts are there, and because this 4 equal parts means this AB line is there, and that AB lines become a 4 parts. And how it's become 4 parts? Because on that line 3 points are there. Because of that 3 points it's become a 4 parts. Let's consider that point P, Q and R. Now see figure, A point is there, B point is there. After joining these 2 points we'll get line segment. And we are taking 3 points. Suppose here P point, then here Q point, and this R point is there. Then because of these 3 points we got the 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means all are same. Here means this one part, this same part, this one, and this is the 4 equal parts are there, and 3 points are there, and we have to find out the coordinates of these 3 points. Then with the help of these 2 points we have to find out. Okay, and see these names are given, and here let's consider now P x1 y1, Q x2 and y2, and R x3 and y3. Now all 4 equal parts are there. Then it is to see AP equal to this PQ, then QR equal to RB. Here written that AP equal to PQ equal to QR equal to RB. Means this all 4 parts are same. Now see Px1, we consider Px1 and y1, that Px1 and y1 divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally. See 1:3, how it is coming 1:3? Now here these 4 equal parts are there, and we are considering only now point P. Point P is there and line segment is AB. So because of the point here it is one part is there, and then another PB is there, then AP. See, because of means here roughly I am telling this is the AP. 2 parts become AP and then PB. Then this AP is the one part is there, and this total PB. PB means there is 1, 2 and 3 parts are. That means this is the 3 parts. Okay, this is the for your explanation how it's become 1 and 3 parts here, because this 1:3 is important. That ratio we should know, because we require M1 plus M2. Means this first ratio is there M1, and then another one is the M2. Now x1 we have to find out this x1, this coordinate we have to find. Then x1 equal to M1 plus x2 plus M2 x1. Then we'll get the x. So M1 is what? 1. X2. So x2 is what? X2 is 2. Here you can say like this, here x1 and y1, then x2 and y2. So what is the x2 here? 2 plus M2 is what? 3. Okay, 3 into x1 is what? -2. So here all we know that already we have, it is given. With the help of that we are finding this x1, and M1 plus M2 means 1 plus 3. Then solve this. X1 equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into -2, -6 upon 4. Then subtraction, minus is there, then subtraction. So 6 minus 2, then 4, and bigger number sign -4 upon 4. And then division we have to take 4 upon 4 means 1, and here minus sign is there. So answer also -1. So x1 we got. Same way we have to find out y1. We have to y1 and y2, y points we have to take. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1. So m1 and m2 we know that m1 is 1. See here y2 is 8 and y1 is 2. So 1 into 8 and 3 into 2. Then solve this. 8 plus 6 upon 4, 14 upon 4, then 7 by 2. So P equal to -1 and 7 upon 2. 1 point we got. We got the 3 points. 3 points are there, and that 3 points coordinates we have to find out. Then same way we'll find out the Q. Now Q is the x2 and y2 and it divides AB. Ratio 1 is to 1 internally. Now see, Q point is there. So if we are taking Q points, why 1 1? Because same equal parts, AQ equal to QB. Here complete two parts become same. So this is the one part and this is the one part, means same. Understood? If you are taking here this 1 plus 1 means 2, 1 plus 1 2, again their ratio is coming 1 and 1 is to 1. So better take 1 is to 1, means two equal parts. When you are taking the Q points, then it's become two equal parts. So ratio is coming 1 is to 1. Then you know that how to find out the, now Q is the midpoint. You can use the midpoint formula here. So x2 equal to x1 plus x2. You have to see the formula here. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 upon 2. Okay, see, this is formula is then that we are using here. Okay, then see here, x1 plus x2. So what is the x1? X1 is your minus 2 and plus 2, x1 x2. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0, means answer is coming 0. Then y2 2. Here y2 means here y1 plus y2 upon 2. Midpoint formula for y. So y1 is 2 and y2 is 8. So here 2 plus 8 10, 10 upon 2 5. So Q is what? 0 and 5 already we got. Now third point, x3 and y3 divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 1. Now here how we taken this when P is there 1 is to 3. Now see, R point we are taking. So here 1 2 3 points are there. That means is 3 and this one parts means 3 is to 1. Three is to 1 where divides line ratio in 3 is to 1. Try to understand how ratio is coming 3 is to 1, because we have to use that. Then x2 by section formula, then you know the section formula, m is the 3, then your x2 is 2. Here also I have written again plus, so and m1 is 1 and x1 is minus 2 upon 3 plus 1. So 6 minus this 1 into minus 2 2, 6 minus 2, that means 4 upon here 4 upon 4. Okay, so equal to 1. Then y3, same way you have to section formula you have to use. Then 3 into y2 is 8. Here see, y2 is 8 plus 1 into y1 is the minus 2. Here see, here your see here m2 is your 1, m2 is 1. Then you have to use y1, y1 is 2, 1 into 2. Okay, then see here 3 into 8 24, 1 into 2 2, means 24 plus 2 is 26 upon 4. And here division you are taking reduced form, 26 upon 4 means it is divided by 2, you will get 13 upon 2. So R is 1 and 13 upon 2. Area of rhombus, find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3 0 and 4 and 5, minus 1 and 4 and minus 2 and minus 1 taken in order. 4 vertices are given. Rhombus is there and 4 vertices. So we will give the name here. Suppose this is first A, B, C and D. So here written here. So 4 points are given. Then we have to draw the rhombus. So now see, A, B, C, D rhombus is there. A, B, C, D. We have to find out the area of rhombus. So area of rhombus, what is the formula? Area of rhombus equal to 1 upon 2 into product of its diagonals. So which are the diagonals? A, C is one diagonal and another is the BD diagonal. All 4 points are there, their coordinates are there. Then AC we have to find out. So here coordinates are given. So with the distance formula we can find out distance AC and BD. Then put it into the formula, we'll get the answer here. Now what is the distance formula? Distance formula is there, so roughly also we'll write here. Now see, this is the roughly I am writing here. Now see here, suppose here this rough work I am doing here. See here, distance formula we have to use for AC and BD. So formula how you will use here, for AC distance formula, then into again BD we have to find out distance formula. Now distance formula, what is the distance formula is there? In square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square in square root. Okay, here now first we'll find out AC. So AC is given here, their coordinates points AC is here. AC, their coordinate points are there. So it is what? This is the x1 and y1, then x2 and y2. Okay, so these points we have to use and find out the formula. Then this is for AC, into BD is there, this is for BD. Then we'll see AC. What is the AC? Here x2 minus x1. So what is the x2 minus 1? See here minus 1 is there. Okay, x2 and x1 is 3, minus 3, plus now here y2, where is y2? Y2 is 4 and minus 1, y2 and here y2 minus y1. So y2 is what? 4 minus, here y1 is 0. So 4 minus 0 bracket square into for BD. So BD is also here also for x1 and y1 for this when we are finding the BD, and this is the x2 and y2. Okay, then here x2 minus x1. So x2 is what? Here x2 is minus 2 and minus 4, this minus 4 for BD. Then plus in another bracket y2 minus y1. y2 is what? Minus 1 and here 5. So minus 1 minus 5. So this is subtraction. Here y2 minus y1 is there. What is the y2 minus 1? Minus sign as it is, and y1 is 5. So try to understand. You have to fill properly. Don't get confused. Here you have, this is we are written in the formula. Otherwise what you can do, that separately you can find out AC and BD and then put into the formula. Then 1 upon 2 here, this subtraction, here minus is there. So what you have to do? Minus 1 and minus 3, minus 4 bracket square. So subtraction will be same sign. So here addition you have to take and minus sign will come. So minus 4 bracket square plus this 4 minus 0, 4 square into this. Now here minus 2 and minus 4. Again here minus sign is there. So addition minus 6 bracket square. Here also minus is there. So addition minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 bracket square. Okay. So 1 upon 2 as it is in square root. Minus 4 square is 16 square plus this 4 square 16 square into minus 6 square means minus plus 36. Again minus plus 36. 1 upon 2 as it is 16 plus 16 32 into 36 plus 36 in square root 72. So here now 1 upon 2 as it is 32 means what? 16 into 2 into 72 means 36 into 2. 1 upon 2 as it is 16's square root is 4 and then square root 2 is remain as it is. Then 36 square root of this 36 is 6 and square root of 2 will remain as it is. 4 into 6 24 and square root into square root 2 means it's become a 2. Then here upon 2 means 2 ones are 2, only 24 will remain. So 24 is the answer, square units. So like that we have completed 7.2. So we are completing only exercise questions. So after finishing all, we will see the extra questions. So now next video is the chapter 8. Chapter 8 is introduction to trigonometry. In this chapter 8, next video we will see introduction of this trigonometry.